Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a method where you can literally build your own business using one website. It may take you 2 or 3 months to get it rolling good, but when it does, it can create for you life-changing income. If this sounds like something that would be interesting to you, then you want to stick around and see this whole video so you can get all these details that I'm going to point out to you here. Alrighty, but before we do that, for those of you that are new to my videos, like I always like to do, I want to tell you to reach down there below your video, click that subscribe button, and make sure you click that little notification bell there so that you get notified of when I upload new money-making videos, because that's what the Freedom Motivator channel stands for. We're trying to help you bring financial and time freedom into your lives with each and every video that I upload on this site. Alrighty, but with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in on this. Now we're going to be using a site here where you can actually literally build yourself a business on one site. And guys, this is 100% free, and it can be done from anywhere in the entire world. So the first site we're going to come to is right over here. You see this right here? It's called Medium. Guys, you can see it right up here in the address bar. It's medium.com. You see it right up there. Now guys, I have showed you guys this site in a lot of my other previous videos, and I've showed you how to do affiliate marketing on this site. Affiliate marketing is not what we're talking about here today. Okay, this is something entirely different here. You can see here that Medium, what is Medium? For those of you that don't know, Medium is a place or a community, if you will, which it is. It's a big, large community, and people come here and share and write their articles on interesting topics in any niche that they want and put it up, and people read those articles, and then they make money from these articles, which I'm about to show you here in just a moment. Now, why would you use Medium? Why would we use this site? Not only does it have the capability to build us a business, but I do want to show you this is the reason why. If I bring out my similar web here, guys, and I scroll up here, you can see that this particular site gets 161 million views per month, or visits per month to this website. That is why we are going to be using medium.com today. That's one reason. Now the big reason is what you want to do is you want to get here. First, you want to get here and you want to click right up here, because you're going to need to sign up. So you want to click right here where it says to get started, and you'll see that you can join Medium using your Google account, your Facebook account, or a local account with just an email. And if you choose the local account, I can tell you that they will send you an email confirmation for that particular login. Alright, and then what you want to do is you want to come back and get logged in, and then when you get logged in, it'll bring you over here to this site right here, or this page, and it's your profile page. You can see I'm logged into my account right up here on the right where my mouse is. And then you can read articles from here, and so on and so forth. There's just all kinds of people that post all kinds of really cool articles on all kinds of different things on this site that you can actually read yourself if you want, and you can follow these people. Now, the first thing I recommend that you do when you get signed in for the first time, you want to come over here and click where you see my mouse is right here. You want to click on your profile thing here. It drops down your menu here, and what you want to do, probably the first thing you want to do, is come here and create yourself a good profile about yourself. And like you can see, these other people are right here. They've got different groups that they've created themselves. And like I said, this is a community, and you can see here that these people have their own communities that they've created right here, like the Writing Cooperative, Mind Cafe. Each one has their own different thing that they've created, or category, if you will, or just sort of like a room on here that you can see here as they do. So you want to do that same thing. So on your profile, you want to create a good profile, because you're building your business right here on this site. Okay? So I would say design your profile first. That'd be the first thing you'd want to do. When you get done with that, come down here to where you see it says in this menu right above me here, you see where it says Medium Partner Program. See that? You click on that right there. And that brings you over here to this page, guys. And you can see here that it says earn money from your writing. Now this is literally what it is. I mean, people, Medium started a program here where people can earn money just from other people reading their articles. That's right. All it takes is the amount of people that read your article, and you make money off each person that reads your article. Alrighty, and it says writing has its rewards when you join the partner program. Learn how to get paid for the content you publish and the audience that you build. And it comes down here, if we scroll down, it says some of the little testimonies here of people that are already doing this. And guys, just in case you don't think that this is a viable way to build a business, I did a little research, okay? I did a little Google search for other authors who are doing this and being successful with it. And I came up with this right here. This is an article that I found on a guy's blog called Finding Tom here, and he says how I made $4,000 with just one post on the Medium Partner Program. So as you can see, guys, this is no joke. This can be done and is being done as we speak. And I'm going to come back to this article here in just a little bit, because there's something I want to show you about this article. All right, so let's come back to where we're at here. Now, there's two ways that you can earn here. It says here, by member reading time. The more time members spend reading your content, the more money you earn. Learn more about how we calculate reading time. You can click right there. And it referred memberships. This is a great way too to add to your income. In other words, in addition to the content you publish, you can refer readers to become Medium members and get half of their membership fee. And it's only $5 per month to join this. So you get, what, $2.50 out of referred memberships, but these are also will bring readers to your content as well. So you'll get, it's sort of a referral thing, and you get paid by reading time here as well. And it says here how to get started right here, guys. It says apply once you've met the eligibility criteria, which is see below. I'll point that out to you in just a moment. And it says then get accepted and celebrate because you're about to start earning some good money here just from articles that you write. And then to start earning, publish stories with the Meter My Story box checked. In other words, you want to check that little Meter My Story box so that you get paid for people that read it. You just want to make sure whenever you publish an article, check that little box. It says Meter My Story, right? So you can get paid. And it says earn money when Medium members spend time reading your work. And it says boost earnings through referrals, memberships, and get paid monthly. Now they will pay you, I believe it is through here, without doing deeper search, I've found out that it's through Stripe and PayPal, or probably direct transfer straight to your bank account. All right, and it's a once a month, get paid monthly, it says right here, guys. All right, now here's the eligibility criteria. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to publish your first story if you haven't already. And click here to start writing. It says you must publish at least one story to apply, okay? But right here it says you're going to need 100 followers. It says you need to have at least 100 followers to apply. Well, some of you might be thinking, well, that's going to take a long time. You should be able to do it probably in about 2 weeks' time, possibly. But stick around, because I'm going to show you another way to exponentially increase not only your readership, but the time that it takes to get that first 100 followers to get you on with this. So stick around, because that's coming up here shortly. And then it says right here, get tips on building a following. If you click on that, it brings you over here to this page right here, to the Medium Creators Hub here. And they give you, here's a little article that you can read about how to increase or help you to get those followers, or those 100 followers, pretty quick. And one of the things is I would say you're going to want to get to know other people in this community, and you want to leave good quality value comments on their stories that you read or their articles, and they will intend see you and yours, and that will bring them over. And if they like the articles you're writing, of course they're going to follow you, right? They're going to click on follow button, which will be right under your name, just like this is right here, guys. So read this article here. It'll teach you how to get subscribers. But hang on, like I said, I'm going to show you another way that you can exponentially make this happen quicker. So stick around. Now, so that's how you do it. You want to come over and you want to start working on joining this. Now, you want to write articles. So if I want to come back to this right here, it says here stay active also. I want to show you, I don't get this right here though. It says stay active. It says you should publish at least one article every 6 months. Now that's kind of crazy. The Medium owners say being active is at least once every 6 months. Now let's come back to this article right here, guys. Like I said, this article here is where guys making money just from one post. And you can do the same thing. But what I want to show you is, if we scroll down through this article, and we come down here toward the bottom, right here, you will see that it says right here, just get posting 5 times per week. He said the most important thing is to get posting. He says, I post 5 times per week, every single week. And if there's one thing that's a constant among the top performers on Medium, it's that they post on the Medium Partner Program often. So just ignore what right here about staying active once every 6 months. That's not going to cut it for you. You're trying to build your business on here as fast as you can. So I would take this guy's advice and post every single day, an article every day. Now, you might be saying, I can see you saying that, Kevin, you know, I'm not very good at writing articles. Do you have any way that you can help us to do that? I sure do. Guys, you're going to want to come over to this site right here. You can get articles from ezinearticles.com right up here. Whoops. Yeah, I messed it up right here. But you want to get articles from ezinearticles.com. It's not, I lost my thing here. But you can come to ezinearticles.com, and there's articles in every single niche, guys, that you want from here. You can see it right here, ezinearticles.com right there. And there's every niche in the world is here, guys. You can even do a search for it, or you can click on any of these niches right here. You just want to write about something that you like, something that you think other people would like to read also. Now, what you can do, these are going to have to be original articles, guys. You cannot copy articles from anywhere else on the World Wide Web and bring them over and use them as your own, because Medium will find this out and you will lose your make money ability on Medium with the partner program. So you just want to make sure that you write these articles yourself. So how are you going to do this? Well, for example, let's say if you want to write an article on automotive, so we click on automotive and we'll just say RVs right here. If I click on RVs, and it brings up all of these articles about RVs. What you can do is you can read these articles and take down notes of things that you find out of the article that sound interesting to you, and then you take and you put your own words to those articles. Now, I want to show you something else that's really interesting here, guys. If you will notice right here on Medium, these articles, look, an 8-minute read, a 4-minute read. Look here, it's 5-minute read, 7-minute. Guys, these articles are only about 300 words long. They're not very long at all. About 300 to 400 words, something that you can write probably in 15 to 20 minutes after taking ideas that you get off of eZine articles. You can do this with any article site. I'm just using eZine as an example. Read an article of something that you're interested in, take notes of highlights or points out of the article, and then come back and write your own 300-word article is all it takes, guys, and then get it posted up in your partner program on the site. Now, that is how you can get started building a business here on Medium.com with the Medium Partner Program. So just grow your audience and your engagement, and they even have tools here. Here's some frequently asked program or questions right here. One thing I wanted to point out is how much will I make under the partner program. And it says right here the 2 ways to earn money. With the partner program, writers are paid monthly based on how much time Medium members spend reading their stories. The longer members read, the more writers earn. So you want to post many articles. I'd do it 5 times a week. Do it for at least 5 days out of every 7 days, and just keep it. Pretty soon you're going to be building momentum on this, okay? And every time you convert a reader to a paying member, then you're going to get half that membership fee, and so on, as you can learn more about how it works how earnings are calculated right here by clicking the right here button, guys. So that's the only thing I wanted to show you about that. Now, like I told you earlier, I wanted to show you how you can exponentially increase and help getting those 100 followers right here on that you need right here on the program. Like it says, you need to get at least 100 followers. Well, one way that you can help increase that is to come over here to this website right here, guys. It's called Top Publications. You see it up here in the address bar. It's toppubs.smedian.com. You can see right here the 13,121 fastest growing publications on Medium. S-Median tracks 13,000 Medium publications and ranks them by their growth rate so that you can find the right ones to read and publish with. Now you can come right here and you can click right here once you write your article and post it to your Medium partner program or on medium.com. You can come over here to this site and click right here where it says contribute to publications. Click on here and you can load your article up fast on this site, which it will already track it anyway, and people on this site will read your article, and every time you get a reader on this site, it's going to count over here on Medium for your readership on Medium site. As you see, they track Medium publications. So as you get readers from here, it also counts over here as well. And it'll also drive more people over, and they will follow you because your articles are going to be interesting, right? You're going to use Ezine articles or any article site to read and get ideas and create your own 300 to 400 word article and upload it 5 times a week, and probably within about 3 months you're probably going to be making somewhere, I would imagine, pretty close to what this guy's making right here with just one post possibly on your particular business, little business that you built within the larger community of Medium.com. Guys, that is how you can create your own business right in on Medium on one website and create a life-changing income if you stick with it and stay with it for the long haul. Alrighty? Guys, I hope you like this method. Reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell. Also, if you got any questions or comments about this particular video, reach down there in the comment section below and leave a comment, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to learn how to make a high-ticket affiliate sales, and you want to reach down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out how free video that'll show you the formula on how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to leave you with that here, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys have a great day. Don't forget to watch the videos that you see up here above you. Watch those videos. It will help you other ways to make money online as well. Guys, I'll see you later. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye now.